how to copy a link of Discord server. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can copy the link of a certain Discord server, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to copy the link of a Discord server, go to discord.com or open the Discord app and open up the server of which you would like to copy the link. And at the left hand side of this you'll find many options, where one of the options you'll find is this particular server name. So make sure to select that server name here, and here you should be able to have different sorts of information, or you can go to user setting by clicking the server settings option if you'd like to copy the link for that certain server in this case. So once you have done that, you can just go ahead and select that option, and then you should be able to click the invite people option and then copy the link here, and then you can also set the link to never expire. Copy the link and then people will be able to join your Discord server. This way you'll be able to actually copy the link of your Discord server. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.